Ollie, you just scared off the moose? You did? You're proud? I'm mad. I like the moose. Where is it? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where's she? Oh, it's a deer. Ollie, leave. Leave it. It's a deer. Ollie, come here. Come here. Ollie, come. Whoa. It's like huffing. Whoa. I hope it's okay. Ollie, come here. Oh, shit. Holy shit. Oh, turkey. Okay. Well, we found him. There he is. Everyone was giving me a hard time about my feet being dirty last night. And I literally just got out of the shower like 20 minutes ago, and I was laying on the deck to dry my hair out. And now I had to go chase after Ollie because he's scaring off all the animals. I don't want him to get kicked. And now my feet are all dirty again. So welcome to my life. Covered in dirt. Gonna have to wash my feet again. Thanks a lot, Ollie. Ollie boy. What are you burying? What'd you bury?
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire.
Caving.
We're going caving.
How's it look, dude?
How is it out there, Ollie? I see the light.
Straight ahead.
We followed the light.
Woo!
Nice! Oh, to be a puppy. I went up here to watch the sunset last night and I left my water bottle. There he is. I need you. Aw, I didn't have it all night. There you are. Yes. What Hi, little guy. How'd you get out of there? Can you jump? They can jump it. That's what it is. This one's like, I want out too.
You guys, we don't want all of you out.
You can't get out.
He's like, nope, you can't touch me.
I really don't see where.
No, they're not gonna bite. You think I have food? I don't know where he could have gotten out.
Be nice. What
But
a
I
cute
would lift him up over the
family.
fence if I'm not very comfortable either. I'm just like,
I'm worried he's gonna run away.
Well, no.
Oh, you already knew how to get back in. You're sneaky. Okay, bye. What?
Ollie, what? Can you show me? Can you show me? What do you want? You have to show me. Not tell me, show me.
Bark right into the phone.
Ollie. Ollie boy. What? Ollie, what?